Now you will hear a short conversation about morning routine. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Good morning, Leo. Time to wake up. School starts soon.
5 more minutes, Mom. I'm still sleepy.
No can do, sweetie. You need to get ready. First, let's go eat breakfast. I made pancakes.
Pancakes? Yay! Okay, I'm up.
Good. After breakfast, you need to brush your teeth and wash your face. Don't forget your uniform.
My uniform is clean?
Yes, I put it on your bed. And remember your backpack. Do you have your homework inside?
Oh yes, my math homework. I almost forgot. I'll go get it now.
Great. Let's hurry. We don't want to be late.
Okay, Mom. Pancakes first.
What is the conversation mainly about? What does Leo's mom say she made for breakfast? Now you will hear a short conversation about class field trip. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Mark. Are you excited about the field trip tomorrow?
Oh, yes, Sarah. I can't wait. We're going to the Science Museum.
Me too. I really want to see the dinosaur exhibit. Miss Lee said it's big.
Yes, and I heard they have a cool space room. We can learn about planets there.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I hope we see everything.
I think we will. The bus leaves early, so we'll have lots of time.
That's good. What do we need to bring?
Just lunch and a water bottle, and your notebook for the activity.
Oh, right, the scavenger hunt. It will be fun to find answers.
Absolutely. I think it's the best field trip.
I agree. Tomorrow can't come fast enough.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why does Mark think they will have lots of time at the museum? Now you will hear a short lecture about crocodiles. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about crocodiles. Crocodiles are very interesting animals. They are large reptiles, like big lizards and snakes. Where do crocodiles live? They like warm places, so you won't find them in very cold countries. You can find them in many parts of the world, like Africa, Asia, Australia, and parts of America. They always live near water, mostly in rivers, swamps, and lakes. They need water to stay cool and to hunt their food. So, what do crocodiles eat? Crocodiles are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They eat other animals. For example, they often eat fish, birds, and small mammals that come to the water to drink. Crocodiles are good hunters. They often wait quietly in the water, looking like a log. When an animal comes close, they quickly catch it. They are strong and fast hunters. So remember, warm water and meat are very important for crocodiles.
What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, where do crocodiles not like to live? Now you will hear a short lecture about rain. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something we see all the time, rain. How does rain happen? It's part of something called the water cycle. First, the sun shines on water in oceans, rivers, and lakes. The sun's heat makes the water warm, and some of it turns into a gas called water vapor. This water vapor is very light, so it rises up into the sky. As the water vapor goes higher, the air gets colder. When the vapor gets cold, it changes back into tiny little water drops. These tiny drops come together and form clouds. So clouds are just lots of tiny water drops floating in the sky. When more and more water drops join together, the clouds get very full and heavy. The drops become too heavy to stay in the air. That's why they fall down from the sky as rain. This water then flows back into rivers and oceans, and the whole cycle starts again. It's a never-ending journey for water.
What is the talk mainly about? Why do water drops fall from the sky as rain?